What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Backyard Jeeping video. My name is Cherokee, and today I have just a quick little unboxing video for you today. Nothing too serious. Hope everybody had a great new year. Hope you're going to stick to those new year resolutions this year. And even though we're still in the middle of this crazy pandemic, let's try to make the best of it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. Check out the Instagram and the Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the online store, backyardjeeping.com. And for the full month of January, there is a promo going to where you get 30% off any order. Just use promo code NEWYEAR22. Again, that's NEWYEAR22 at checkout to get 30% off any order. It can be just a decal, just a shirt, doesn't matter, no minimum required. So yeah, let's go ahead, jump into this unboxing. This is from THOR, also known as Trailhead Off-Road. This is the Cowl air intake for the Jeep Cherokee XJ. As you can see, the box has not been opened yet, so I figured it would be a good opportunity to do an unboxing video for you guys, since I haven't done one since ordering the armor. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this unopened box that has not been opened yet opened. It's a lot of opens. First thing is we got a box inside of a box, but inside of this box we have the cone filter. What's this right here will go inside of your firewall, and it does say THOR on the bottom of it. If I can get the right angle lighting there, it says THOR on it, which I thought was pretty cool. We have the bracket for the firewall here that also holds your tubing. We got the cool THOR 90-degree angle elbow that also has the THOR logo on it, which I thought was really dope. This will go to your intake manifold and the tubing. Some shipping information. And then we have the tubing here, which does have the connection for your breather hose. So there's the tubing there. Let's see, we got 2 clamps. And that's for the 90-degree elbow to go to the tubing and your intake manifold. We got a little business card here. It says THOR, trailheadoffroad.com. It has instructions at www.trailheadoffroad.com/documents. Also has a little QR code. It says email thor@trailheadoffroad.com, and it also has your hardware in it as well, which is just 4 self-tapping screws. And oh yeah, you gotta have your horsepower, baby. Gotta have your horsepower, baby. 2 THOR decals. It says THOR, trailheadoffroad.com. Get those bad boys slapped on this Jeep. I bet you don't want to race me then, huh? Oh yeah. And then we have 2 more decals, which you can put these on your door or your hood. I'm going to put both of them on the hood after I get it painted. It says THOR Cowl Induction, which I'll get you a better angle of that. I'm going to take you off the tripod, get this put together, and show you what it looks like put together, and also show you the decal there. Alright, got you off of the tripod there. So here is the decals that I'm going to be putting on the hood once I get it painted. It just says THOR Cowl Induction. Then here's what it looks like put together. You got your cone filter that goes inside the firewall. You got your bracket that will be mounted to the firewall. You got your tubing. It does have the breather hose on it. And then your really cool 90-degree elbow that has the THOR logo on it with the 2 clamps. Don't forget your horsepower also. Now this is going to get rid of your factory airbox, but it does free up some room in your engine bay. You can run. I'm gonna be running a second battery. You can do onboard air, storage box, whatever you want. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out the Facebook and the Instagram at Backyard Jeeping, and also the online store at backyardjeeping.com.